Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix repo client timeout. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did to be able to fix this is that I firstly clicked on my Windows logo right here as you can see, then I clicked on settings right here. And then I'm just going to go back just to show you where to click. Click on network and internet right here and you should be taken to this page. Now, if you can actually connect to your to your internet via the Ethernet cable, then actually I would suggest to you to do so if you haven't already done so, of course, because this right here actually fixed this issue for me. So I guess that my internet before wasn't that good, and when I connected through an Ethernet cable, then it actually fixed this issue for me. So try this and see if that can actually fix this for you. So if you're not able to do this, or if you did this and still is not working, there is actually another thing that we can try. So the other thing to try is that if you right click on your repo game right here, if it says run as administrator somewhere in here, just click on it. But for me it doesn't, as you can see. But what I did instead is that because I bought the game through Steam, I just right clicked on Steam instead and I clicked on run as administrator right here. Just going to click on yes. And then once again, I just opened the game right here, as you can see. So I played this game through Steam, obviously. So I clicked on here and then it will work for me. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.